What is EURenOmics?
EURenOmics is a research project for rare kidney diseases. We are trying to apply high-throughput research methodologies to gain insights on the causes, pathogenesis of rare kidney diseases and also develop therapeutic tools.
What does the name EURenOmics stand for?
Well, EURenOmics picks up the Euro idea, so it's a European organization. The REN is the renal, standing for kidney, and omics is representing the high throughput approaches that we are pursuing in this project.
What makes this project so important?
Well, rare kidney diseases are not as uncommon as one might think. Several 100,000 people in Europe are affected by rare kidney diseases. So early diagnosis and precise genetic diagnosis is very important to obtain in these patients. That's why we think that we have to make progress in the genetic diagnostics, but also the invention of other diagnostic tools to make early diagnosis and also have some good idea about the prognosis of these patients.
Why do you think EURenOmics is a great project?
This is the first time that European kidney researchers really come together to realize the whole potential of European renal research to make progress in this disease. We've got the best clinicians, basic researchers, translational researchers in this field working on a common aim, namely improving the diagnostics and treatment of kidney failure or kidney disease in patients with rare diseases.
What does it mean for you to be the coordinator of EURenOmics?
First of all, it's a great responsibility to try to coordinate the various research branches, the various activities in this project. It's also great fun for me personally to meet regularly and interact with these great researchers we have in the consortium. And of course, now after a couple of years of the research, seeing some results, some output is a very rewarding experience.
And what are the most important results in EURenOmics so far?
We have made major accomplishments in the genetic classification and diagnosis of diseases in many patients now. We have developed diagnostic tools, genetic diagnostic tools that allow us now to very efficiently make diagnoses in these patients which were not available before. Also, we have collected large cohorts of patients. We have now probably data from about 20,000 patients with kidney disease in our hands. We have large biobanks, biorepositories with DNA, urine, serum samples that we can make use for our research of. The manifestations of the disease are now described in a much more standardized way than we did in the past.
What will EURenOmics be able to do for patients with kidney diseases?
Well, I think that knowing which disease I have, which type of disease, and which prognosis I have, I think is something in the very genuine interest of a patient. We hope that by understanding the pathophysiology of the diseases by the work of this consortium will lead to eventually to therapeutic tools, to drugs, to approaches that will help these patients and help to maintain their kidney function for a much longer time than was possible in the past.
What would need to happen in EURenomics for you to say, a dream has come true?
No, I think if we manage now to take the research results that we have obtained and transfer them to the clinical setting, make them available to patients by training doctors, by making recommendations available to everybody, and by standardizing the diagnostic procedures and the therapeutic approaches all around Europe, then I think the dream of EURenomics will have come true.